In this video, we will explain how to properly condition the external probe, where to place it in the storage unit, where not to place it, and securing the probe for daily use. It's very important to condition the probe for at least 1 to 2 hours prior to use in order to take the temperature down to the temperature within your storage unit. The proper place for the external probe is in the center of your storage unit, very near the vaccines. This wire rack allows for hanging the external probe from the exact center, and tape is used to secure the probe in order to keep it out of the way for daily use. If you have a glass shelf, you may take a piece of Velcro and adhere it to the bottom of the probe in order to hold the probe in place in the center of the unit. Never place the probe near the back wall or side walls where temperatures will fluctuate. Now we are ready to attach the external probe to the data logger. Be sure to listen for the click. Remove the Velcro tape. Now we are ready to place it on the outside of the storage unit.